Hey everyone, how are you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everyone is doing well. Just a quick intro for this video. This is going to be another Sips by specialty video. I know I'm probably overloading you guys with tea videos, but I really love this company. People are so nice there. I love their tea box, and I have really come across some teas that they have sent me that I have absolutely fallen in love with and ordered myself, especially in my most recent box, which was the Glow tea box. Loved that box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly take you to the Sips by website and show you some of the specialty boxes they have to offer, and then I'm going to crack open this box, let you see inside, and I'm going to steep one of the teas in the video. If you go to the Sips by website and click on the shop icon and then click on the tea box icon, it will take you to all their specialty tea boxes. They have tea boxes to boost your mood, boost your immunity, help your sleep, and they have this one, which is the Glow tea box. This includes teas that are going to help make you feel energized and radiant from the inside out. You can get just one box for $15, or you can get a 3-month, a 6-month, or a 12-month Sips by box gift card. The teas that are included in this box are Skin Magic Tea from Your Tea, Natural Glow Tea from the Tea Spot, Daily Beauty Blueberry Lavender Tea from the Republic of Tea, and Golden Milk from Aesthete Tea. This box comes with enough tea to make 15 cups, and it also comes with a reusable muslin cloth tea bags. So let's open the box and I'll show you what is inside. Sips by sends you the teas in this nice compact cardboard box that says Sips by on it, and when you open it up, there's always an informational card inside. If it was the monthly subscription, it would be the July, August, September box, but this is a specialty box. This is the Glow tea box, and when you flip the card over, it tells you all the teas that are included in the box. The teas that are in this box are Natural Glow Tea from the Tea Spot. The card shows you the caffeine level, tells you the ingredients. It also tells you how to steep the tea. And what I like about Sips by is they always usually include promo code coupons. So if you really like a tea and you want to buy it yourself, you can buy it at a discount. Also included in this box is the Daily Beauty Blueberry Lavender Tea from the Republic of Tea. I'll tell you right now, this is a winner. I already tested this one out. It is so good and delicious. It tastes just like fresh blueberries. It is fabulous. In the box is also Skin Magic Tea by Your Tea and Golden Milk Tea by Aesthete. So let me show you what's in the box. There's a card included in the box that has a recipe for a lemon honey tea glow mask to make your skin look more glowing. It shows you how to use one of the teas in the box to make this mask. I thought that was a really cool recipe to include. The teas in this box, I have a large packet of Natural Glow Tea. There are several packets of tea bags that are included in this larger pouch. I thought this tea packaging was so cute and adorable. Of the Skin Magic Tea, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of that. And of the Daily Blueberry Lavender Tea, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of that. This one was a big winner for me. It smelled and tasted just like blueberries. It was delicious. They also included some of their reusable muslin cloth tea bags because I do have loose tea in this box. I think it is the Aesthete tea. And finally, I have the bigger pouch of loose tea from Aesthete tea. Okay, so I couldn't resist. I had to test out the blueberry lavender tea. When I opened this up, it smelled like such intense blueberries. It was delicious. It was probably one of the most delicious teas I've tasted so far in my boxes. It was so good, and I love that this box has teas in it that should make my skin look more radiant, more glowing, more healthy looking for the summer. I hope you enjoyed seeing the Glow tea box. I will leave a link to Sips by down in my description box. I'll also leave a promo code for $5 off their monthly subscription at the bottom of this video and also down in my description box. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye-bye from Marla.